So this is my chili. 2 beans, white and red. It's boiling right now. What I do is I ground the beef first. Then I add, this is the kind of beans I use, the white ones. And kidney beans. They're badly. I also use fire roasted diced tomatoes, and I use the diced tomatoes zesty mild with green chilies. I use 1 can also of puree tomato sauce. And the last time that I used it, I put a lot of tomatoes. I put more diced tomatoes, which are with green peppers and onions. And I used the regular chili seasoning, the powder. I don't know, the different tomatoes cans give it a different taste. That's how I make my chili.